Halon, or BCF, is a liquefied gas that extinguishes fires by chemically interrupting a fire's combustion chain, as opposed to physically smothering the fire. Halon fire extinguisher installed on the Embraer jets is multipurpose. It can be used on classes A, B, and C fires. That characteristic makes it effective when the source of fire cannot be positively determined. The water fire extinguisher is more effective than Halon against paper, wood, fabric, or rubber, Class A fire. However, the water fire extinguisher should not be sprayed directly into a CB panel or an electrical outlet, nor should it be used on grease or fuel. Water extinguisher use is acceptable if the surface has absorbed the liquid, such as gasoline poured on a seat. Taking this exception into account, you should consider using the first extinguisher available rather than delaying locating the most appropriate extinguisher. Remember to use the fire extinguisher in the upright position, as they are designed to collect the agent from the bottom of the container. To spray, unlock the lever and press the trigger. Aim the discharge nozzle at fire base, spraying quickly side to side across the fire width. Make sure the fire is completely extinguished. Continue to monitor the equipment for the remainder of the flight. Stop acting only after you feel confident that the situation is under control. Remember, a fire will go on until all the combustible material is consumed, the oxygen is over, the temperature has been reduced, or the chain reaction has been broken. A fire extinguisher may contain charge for 8 to 25 second spray, depending on the make and model of the extinguisher. Have backup extinguishers available to use after depletion to continue the firefighting effort. Controversy and misunderstanding has been generated upon the adverse effects of Halon. In one case, a captain instructed a flight attendant not to use the Halon extinguisher, showing his concern probably regarding the adverse effects of the substances involved. It is really recommended that crew use a protective breathing equipment while spraying Halon. However, the NTSB has expressed concern that risks of exceeding the maximum recommended levels of Halon gas have been overemphasized in crew member training programs, especially when compared to the risks of an in-flight fire. The NTSB emphasizes that the potential harmful effects on passengers and crew of Halon are negligible compared to the safety benefits achieved by fighting in-flight fires aggressively. The toxic effects of a typical aircraft seat fire, for example, far outweigh the potential toxic effects of discharging a Halon fire extinguisher. Smoke is not necessarily an indication of fire. It is certainly a good indication of an abnormal situation and must be regarded as potentially serious. However, most smoke occurrences are resolved and do not affect the safety of a flight. Indeed, most smoke will result in flight cancellations, air turnbacks, diversions, and declared emergencies. Direct crew response to smoke or fire, no matter how small it is the key. Be positive and confident. Get all the necessary knowledge to cope with such occurrences.